And that's the problem we're having. This unit that controls these electronic drum kits keeps on forgetting its settings, its different patches and its output settings and all that. So I think it's time we change the battery in it. Let's go. Hi and welcome to another edition of Shouting Electronics. Today we got this Roland TD-12 percussion sound module. This is basically the brains behind the electronic drum kit. Now this one has a problem where if you leave it for a week or so without being powered on, it forgets its settings, its different sound patches and its different output settings and everything. Now that's a sign that we need to change the backup battery. Now this backup battery hasn't been changed for 8 to 10 years, so it's definitely time for it to be done. Of course, with this type of system, you do not want to lose your settings. Sometimes you do, but in this case, we prefer to keep as much as we can. So we're going to power up the unit before we remove the existing battery, and then that mains power will sustain it until the new battery is in place, and then we should be good to go. So let's do this thing. Okay, so first thing we need to do is we need to remove all the screws, and then hopefully it'll open up. Of course I don't want to scratch the front of the unit, that's why I'm busy putting a little rag here. And we're in. Okay, so here is the inside of the module. So let's take a look. We've got 4 boards on this. We've got or 5 boards. Very bottom we've got the control board with the screen, the buttons and the pots. Inside of the center of the screen there you can see we've got a power supply board. We've got 2 input and output boards over there with all the jacks on them. And then we've got our main processor board. And this is the battery we're going to be changing. It's a CR2032 3-volt battery. Let's just take a look here for fun. And there is our power supply board. And for those that are interested in what's inside here, let's take a look. Okay, that is a Roland R01455956 custom chip. Go over here, we've got another Roland chip, R03897678, 24th week 2006. Not many other chips with date codes here. I believe that one is the 19th week 2006. So you can basically say that this is dating from about 2006. So we're going to go ahead now and power it up so it doesn't lose its memory, and then we're going to pop that battery and change it. And as you can see, it boots up into GT Rock, so it's ready for us. Nice shiny Chameleon brand replacement battery. Better not drop it on you, that will be a bit of a... Better not drop this on the board, that'll be a bit bad considering it is powered on. Maybe. Here comes the old battery, Panasonic, made in Indonesia. And now in goes our Chameleon battery. See if it's still alive. Yeah, still got our settings, so let's switch it off. Still GT Rock, set up outputs, and our output configuration is still the same there. The output configuration is all the same. So now we can button this up and go and install it. and Bingo was his name. Oh. Okay, so I'm going to go take this thing back, plug it in, and then we'll see if it does what it's supposed to do. Okay, so here we are. We're going to plug the processor back in. Power line. And as you can see, I've taped all the audio cables together in the right order. But before I removed that, so it's a matter of plugging it back in and taking the tape off. And now just to plug in all the drum kits, and then we're ready to go. Okay, so now that we've got it all hooked up with this new battery and everything, let's give it a test, see if it works.